Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. Since 2000, 5 new elements have been added to the periodic table. The seventh row of the periodic table is finally filled. China has been using high-tech bird drones to keep watch over its citizens. Meteors or shooting stars produce various colors as they pass through our atmosphere. These different colors are due to the different composition. North America has lost 29% of its birds' population in 50 years. You travel 2.5 million kilometers a day around the sun without realizing. Netflix was founded on August 29, 1997, a year before Google. Smoking weed even once a month is linked to higher risk of heart attack and stroke. Reindeer are the only type of deer in which both females and males have antlers. Research finds that dogs with more friends live longer. You are within 6 feet of at least one spider right now. Bugatti Veyron has 16 oil plugs and changing the oil takes 27 hours, costing $21,000. 700 years old home in Iran. The length of Mars day is shortening by 3/4 of a millisecond each year as the planet's rotation spins up, according to new results from NASA's InSight lander. The world's water. Hickey's Bengal Gazette was an English newspaper published from Calcutta, India. It was the first major newspaper in India, started in 1780. Some patterns of gene expression in umbilical cord blood are associated with childhood obesity, suggesting that these markers could identify newborns at risk of developing the condition. The world's first systematic petroleum refinery was built in Romania in 1856 using the abundant oil available in Romania. A recent study found that humans are pumping so much groundwater that it's not only increasing sea levels, it's actually shifting the entire planet on its axis. Founded in New York City in 1818, the brand Brooks Brothers was the first American clothing company that's still around today. During the crisis of World War II, the first Parle-G biscuit was produced in 1939. In the beginning, its name was Parle Gluco. Although the change in the color of the oceans does not impact marine life directly, it indicates that marine ecosystems are in a state of flux and they could completely go out of balance in the future, which could severely affect ocean life and humans dependent on them. The first Indian feature film, Raja Harishchandra, directed by Dadasaheb Phalke, was released on this day in 1913 at the Coronation Cinematograph and Variety Hall, Girgaon. The condition is called hairy tongue syndrome, which occurs when a patch of hair-like substances appear on the tongue. This is not a bag, it's whale sharks lay rubbery egg cases. The objective of the NASA mission is to learn more about the logistics and the human psychology of living long-term on another planet without ever leaving the ground. The white rare albino redwood tree, only 60 known to exist in the world. The phoenix is a legendary bird mentioned in Greek, Roman, and Egyptian mythology. According to ancient writers, The phoenix lived for 500 years and died and was reborn. There are more than 45,000 known species of spiders found in habitats all over the world. Taxi driver, one of the most hardest job in London, 25,000 streets, buildings, restaurants and many other landmarks. Items that have food waste listed on them are not actually recycled. Instead, they end up on landfill. This includes pizza boxes. So in order to properly discard a pizza box, you need to cut off the top, compose the bottom and recycle the top part. The three-banded armadillo is the only species that can roll into a ball for protection. Armadillos are barrel-shaped animals covered with natural armor. The armadillo's armor works well against most predators, but not against cars. The Formosan clouded leopard was a clouded leopard population that was endemic to Taiwan. Camera trapping studies carried out in several protected areas in Taiwan between 1997 and 2012 did not reveal the presence of a clouded leopard. Don't say fat, say full-figured. Don't say died, say passed away. Don't say handicapped, say specially abled. Are you eating expired medicine? Many people use medicine till expiry date, which is completely wrong. Whenever we get fever or cough in 6 months, we use same old syrup, which is least effective. The expiry date on bottles or of sealed bottles, once seal is broken, it's only effective for 1 month. Antibiotic once opened it should be used maximum for 4 weeks or 1 month. Parents and even us were making such huge mistakes from childhood. Thanks for watching.